Every morning at Beginner's World Preschool and Daycare begins with laughter, curiosity, and a whole lot of energy. From the moment they step in, they are welcomed with warmth and care. Here, learning goes beyond classrooms. It's about exploring, creating, dancing, and discovering something new every single day. Our vibrant classrooms and caring educators create child-safe spaces which are safe, hygienic, and full of love, and where confidence blooms and imaginations run free. Every question is encouraged, every giggle celebrated, every child made to feel special, just the way they are. Because childhood isn't a race to the future, it's the joy of living today. Beginner's World Preschool and Daycare, the right of a child to be a child.